Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create these music video effects. Now let's see how to make the double exposure effect. So first import your clips to the timeline. I have the first and second clips. And darker videos are always best for this effect. Now select the second clip and move it to the top of the first clip. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the opacity, change the blend mode, normal to screen. And that's it. Let's see the preview. And if you think it's too bright, then just decrease the opacity. There is another way to make this effect, by using the masking tool. And here I'm using this one as the main clip. And I'm going to blend with this video clip. Then again change the blending mode, normal to screen. And this time I'm going to adjust the position of this clip. And here it's perfect for me. Then under the opacity effect, select the pen tool. And draw a mask around your subject. Then increase the mask feather a little bit. And that's the way you can make the double exposure effect. Now let's see how to make the freeze frame effect. Also, you can check out these 5 freeze frame transition tutorial. I'll add this tutorial link under the description. So first import your clips to the timeline. And here I'm using this 2 clips. Then move the time indicator first frame of the second clip. Now click on this little camera icon. In the format option select PNG. And enable import into project. Then click on OK. So it will take a snapshot of the current frame. Now drag and drop it center of the 2 clips. And select the snapshot layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the opacity effect, select the pen tool. And draw a mask around your subject. Zoom in the program window, so we can do it properly. And I just speed up this part, so you don't have to wait. When it's done, going back to the zoom level to fit. Again move the time indicator, center of the 2 clips. Then move 15 frames to the left side. And move the snapshot layer 15 frames to the left side. And delete the top part of the second clip. Then under the mask one, set the mask expansion -2. And change the blend mode, normal to screen. Then decrease the opacity 50%. Now duplicate this layer 2 times. Then select the middle clip. And make sure the time indicator is the beginning of this clip. Then make a keyframe on the position. And change the X position a little bit. Then move few frames to the right side. And reset the position value. Now move this keyframe end of this clip. Again do the same thing for the top clip. So select the top layer. And move the time indicator to the first frame. Make a keyframe on the position. Change the position X value, something like that. Then move few frames forward. And reset the position. Again move this keyframe end of the clip. And that's all. So the animation will be like that. Now just cut 2 frames of the middle clip. And cut 4 frames of the top clip. And this is our final preview. Now let's see how to make 3 flicker effects. And these effects are very easy to do, but very effective. First select the razor tool. And let's make a cut somewhere. Then zoom in the timeline. And cut every single frame. And do it continue. Okay, now select the move tool. Then delete one cut, and keep one cut. And do it continue, until our last cut. Now check out the preview. It looks cool. And you can match it with the music beats. Let's make another flicker effect. So mark all the cuts. And move them one track above. Then select the first cut, hold on Alt button, and drag it down. Adjust this layer duration with our last cut. Then move to the Effects tab. And search for Horizontal Flip Effect. Now apply this effect on the bottom layer. And check out the preview. You just render it for a better preview. Now let's see one more flicker effect. Move over to the Effect Controls tab. Select the bottom layer. And increase the scale size a little bit. Then select Motion, and adjust the position, where you think it's perfect. And that's it. You can try these 3 flicker effects, and match these effects with the music beats. So these effects will make your videos stand out. Now let's see how to use the glowing scribble effects. So first you have to download the glowing scribbles pack, and you can download this pack under the description link. Here you'll get 300 plus Magret files. Now let's jump into the Premiere Pro, and let's see how to use them. So first import your clips to the timeline. Then go to the window, and open the Essential Graphics tab. Under the Essential Graphics tab, click here. Then select Manage Additional Folders. Click on Add, and select the glowing scribble folder. Then click on OK. Now enable local. And click on this drop-down icon. And select the glowing scribbles pack. Now here you can see the preview, all of the scribbles effects. Then just simply drag and drop it on the timeline. As you can see, the effect is too big. But I'm going to adjust it with the sunglass. So select this layer. Then under the Essential Graphics tab, easily you can customize everything. You can change the color as well. Adjust the glow intensity, radius, and width. And that's the way you can use all other scribble effects. So hope that you'll enjoy the Scribbles pack. Now let's see how to make the camera bounce effect. First import your clips to the timeline. Then make a new adjustment layer. Drag and drop it to the timeline. Then just cut 5 frames on the adjustment layer. And delete the last part. Now move over to the Effects tab, and search for Transform. Apply this effect on the adjustment layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Move the time indicator first frame of the adjustment layer. Under the Transform effect, make a keyframe on the scale. Then move few frames forward, and make another keyframe. Now move this keyframe to the last frame. Then change the scale value 150. And move it center, between these 2 keyframes. Now set the shutter angle 360. And that's it. Let's see the preview. You can use this effect with the music beats. Also you can use it as a transition between the 2 clips. So simply just drag this adjustment layer, and put it center of the clips. And that's it for the camera bounce effect. Now let's see how to make the camera flash effect. So first import your clip to the timeline. Then click on this little camera icon. In the Format option, select PNG. and enable import into project. Then click on OK. So it will make a snapshot to the project panel. Now drag and drop it to the timeline. Then cut 5 frames in the snapshot layer. And delete the last part. Then right-click on it. And apply the default fade-out transition. Now select this adjustment layer. And go to the Effect Controls tab. Change the blend mode, normal to the screen. And increase the scale size. For my case, I am going to scale it 150. Then click on Motion. And adjust the position where you think it's perfect. Now let's check out the preview. And if you think it's too bright, then just decrease the opacity. And that's it for this effect. Now let's see how to make the glitch effect. So first import your clip to the timeline. Then go to the Effects tab. And search for VR Digital Glitch. Now apply this effect to your clip. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the VR Digital Glitch effect, click on Distortion drop-down icon. And increase the color distortion 100. Change the distortion rate 0. Now click on Noise drop-down icon. And increase the noise strength 50%. Then make a keyframe on Master Amplitude. And make it 0. Now move 5 frames forward. And make it 100%. Again move 5 frames. And make it 0. And that's it. If you want to make this effect longer, then just increase the keyframe distance. Now let's see how to make the color shifting effect. Import your clips to the timeline. Then move over to the Effects tab. Search for Color Balance HLS. And apply this effect to your clip. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Color Balance HLS, make a keyframe on Hue. Now move few frames forward. And increase the hue value. Again move few frames.